Okay, box breakers and pack rippers, welcome back to part number 2, box number 1, stack number 2. We are on the lookout for this guy. If you did not watch part 1, go back and check that out. You'll see us open this. Anyway, we'll put him up there. This is stack number 2. We also featured those Hall of Famers in the last video. We're going to go ahead and set them back here because we anticipate replacing them with other better stars. Right? That's the idea. Okay. Pack number 1. See who's on back, because they are trashed, whoever it is. It's going to be Dale Murphy, Hall of Famer, I believe. We got the Cubbies. We got the Cubs. Alright. Sometimes these stick together, and in part 1 we had Griffey sticking to the back of some ultra common. Dave Parker off center. Jack Clark designated hitter. Tommy John, Ruben Sierra, Mike Maddox, Ruben Sierra, and Dale Murphy. Yeah, shoot, Dale Murphy. Yeah. Back of that card is trashed. Alright, pack 2. We pulled Griffey in pack number 2, I believe, of our stack number 1. Box number 1. Ellis Burks on the back. Ellis Burks is the guy, I believe, that looks like Phillies. Ellis Burks looks like Dave Chappelle to me in the 1989 Upper Deck. Anyway, Craig Biggio, Hall of Famer, off center. Vaughn Hayes. Jeff Reardon. Junior Ortiz. Kind of a cool card. Dave Schmidt. Checklist, off center. Tony Pena. Vincent Palacios. Ooh, I thought it was going to be Griffey for a second. I saw that yellow line. I just saw that yellow line. Okay. Nothing too great there. Craig Biggio, Hall of Famer, but still not really what we're looking for. Okay. Pack 3, stack 2, box 1. Rick Roden on the back, taking the hit for the team. Got the California Angels. Let's see what we get. Vance Law. Nobody. Junk. Jack Morris. Is he Hall of Famer? Lenny Harris. I don't know what's special about those guys. George Brett, Hall of Famer. Centering looks good. Centering looks pretty good on George. Let's take a look. Uh-huh. Looks pretty good. Look at those stats. Whatever. Pretty cool. Could have been off center. Just it looks pretty much perfect. Jack Morris looks perfect. What do you think? George Brett might be a 10. I don't know. We'll have to take that to Joe at the card shop and let him take a look under the magnifying glass and see if he thinks that's a 10 or not. We'll get it sent off. Mike Krukow taking a hit on the back. We got the Twins. Some angry looking Steve Shields guy from the Yankees. There's Andres Galarraga and Gerald Perry. Double trouble, it says. David Cohn. You know what I didn't do is check to see if there's any variants of anything. We'll have to do that in between the next videos. See if there's any other than the Billy Ripken that we already know about. That's the main one, but I'm sure there's other ones from this. Old years usually have several errors. Go back and look that up. He's on back. Sandy Alomar Jr. Rookie card destroyed. That sucks. Braves. Herm Winningham. I know he's got a variant card in the upper deck. Misspelled his last name. Brett Butler. Fernando Valenzuela. Dave Stewart. And Sandy Alomar Jr. Rookie card. Destroyed by the wax. Dumb. Off center anyway, doesn't matter. So, no big deal. And Fernando, off center. Next pack. This is pack number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pack number 6. Yeah. Jeff Blauser. Dodgers. I wonder what the centering top to bottom is. That's one thing I don't know, because these two, yeah, you can clearly tell Bob is crowding the top of his card. Al Leiter, Yankees, perfectly centered. Dick Schofield, perfectly centered. Jimmy Key, pretty solid pitcher. We'll put him in the notable stars: Ron Jones, Andy Van Slyke, perfectly centered. Oh, Mike Greenwell, All-Star card. Whoop-dee. Jeff Blauser on the back. Let's put these in. Oh, looks pretty good. Might be a 10 on Van Slyke. Jimmy Key looks a little bit off left to right, so don't think we'll be sending away for either of those guys. Alright, next pack. Chris Gwynn, see the cousin of Tony Gwynn. Red Sox, nobody cares. Okay. Greg Maddux, rookie card. Somebody's stuck to the back of him. It's not Griffey. We got a couple of dudes I've never heard of. Let's put Maddux in here first. Centering looks just a little off left to right. That's too bad. So we got Maddux and Smoltz. We got Griffey. Now we just need Johnson and Sheffield. Yeah, we got Ramon Martinez. We've hit all the notable rookies. We got what was his name? Felix Jose. I think he was a rookie. We got him. Alright, next pack. Some notable guys on the back here. He's got a long history. Bill Buckner. Oh boy. Anybody know who Bill Buckner is? Why he's... Oh boy. Yeah. He's still not over it, I'm sure. I know I wouldn't be. What Bill Buckner did. He kicked the ball around and basically cost the team everything. Oral Hershiser. Eckersley. Cool. Dave Winfield. Off center. Hall of Famer. Got a whole group sticking together here. Tom Browning, picture perfect. Must have had a no-hitter that day. Or perfect game that day. Darryl Strawberry. Shoot. Bill Buckner. Jeff Leonard. Okay. Oh, man. I just dropped that old pack. Oh, great. Gerald Perry. Bill Buckner goes on the back. Oh, that was dumb. Get them all? Wow. Okay. Strawberry. Well, Hershiser looks a little bit off center. Dang it. Tom Browning. Okay. Hall of Famer, Dave Winfield. Off-centered. And Eckersley, off-center. Okay. Last pack. Wow. Going quick. Last pack of our first box. Stack 2. Then we'll have stack 3. And we'll have stack 4. Then we'll have box 2. And then box 3 is actually only half a box, but we're still referring to it as the third box of our 1989 Fleer baseball. There's the Expos. I saw Billy Ripken, but see that underneath my finger? That's not what we're looking for, I don't think. And there's Cal right behind him. Amazing. So I'm not sure what's, if I don't think the corrected is the one to have. I think it's the other one. When we do the recap, we'll have looked it up by then. I'm just gonna put this in. Since I've been fumbling them lately, I'm just gonna get them in a sleeve right now. It's a little bit off-centered, so we won't know. We won't find out. But let's see what else we got here. We got a checklist. Dave LaPointe. Oh, Jay Buhner. Dang it, I could see the yellow. I was just thinking, would we get so lucky as to pull another Griffey out of this box number 1? I'm hoping so. We've now got the Billy Ripken. We're only missing the Randy Johnson now. Yeah. Okay, let's get this in. A little bit off center on Billy Ripken. Still pretty cool. Yeah, let's put him up here. Actually, those are going to have to come down, or one of them is. One of those 2 stacks for our next stack. Yep. So we can leave these 2 up top. But this is stack number 3, so we'll be opening that next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. Stay tuned. We'll be right back.